Julian C. Reyes from STEM to St. Columba. Let's give Fem a warm round of applause.
Before we depart, I want us to ask ourselves a single question. What if the future isn't something we are waiting for, but something we're already standing on? Someone close to me once shared a perspective that changed how I view progress. They told me that the future is in the past. At first, it sounds like a contradiction, but it's a reminder that the lives we lead today were built from the choices we made yesterday. Every late night, every shared challenge, and every decision we made months ago has led us to this room today. In that sense, we are living in the future of our past. By that same logic, the future we dream of is being constructed by the hands we use today. What we are about to do right now, in the way we treat each other and the way we choose to lead, is exactly what we will become in the years to follow. And if one may ask, what if I can't? What if you can? What if I fail? What if you don't? What if it's not enough? What if you can do more than enough? Our words becomes our belief becomes our actions, and our actions is what makes us who we are today. Success is not just about being the one who reaches the top first. It is about being the one who refuses to climb alone. So, as we close this ceremony, let's not just look ahead. Let's look at the ground we are standing on. Look at the relationships we've built, the work we've done, the sacrifices of our parents, the guidance of our teachers, and the strength of the people standing beside us. The ground that was built from the times we failed but chose to rise anyway. And from the moments we felt like giving up but decided to stay. Because the strength of that ground is the only thing that will carry us to the next chapter. But let us be clear. This ground wasn't just made of our own sweat, but strengthened by the silent prayers of our parents, the optimism of our teachers, and the quiet sacrifices of those who paved the way for us. None of this was by chance. It was God's grace that built the path before us. Let us choose to lead with character, even when no one is watching, with the competence to do our work well, and with the heart for service that turns our success into a blessing for others. We aren't going into the future. We are bringing the future with us. We leave this place not just to succeed but to matter, because our real legacy isn't the diploma in our hands. It's the future that we've already begun to build in our past. We are the stories that were once just dreams, now standing as reality. I am Julian C. Reyes, a proud Columbanite, and it has been my greatest honor to stand with you. Congratulations, class of 2026. Let's make it count.
Thank you, Fem. On behalf of Guluman College Basic Education Department Asinan Senior High School level, we would like to express our deepest gratitude to our dear administrators, led by Most Reverend Martin J. Santos Jr., Dr.